Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's video, we are going to check eBay last sold item, so we can keep track of our sold items, see if we do have any new orders, and make sure that we ship them on time and do not be late for our buyers so we can maintain the satisfaction and maybe get our selling limits to be increased. So, first of all, how can we get to see our orders? We click on my eBay, and from there, I'm going to go right here to selling. From this area, click on sold, and you will get it to be right here. So let me just click on sold, not active, but sold. And here we go. So now we want to see our last sold item. What we need to do is to simply click on filter, and here I'm gonna filter it by period. You can either choose last 24 hours and add the sort to be the most recently sold, or simply just leave it as it is. For example, it was current month, and basically just choose the most recently sold. Once you do that, you will find exactly the most recent sold item right over here in a line one by one, and you can check it and basically be prepared to ship them to the correct clients. Also, you can go to overview, and from here you can view your orders and active ones. So you can get your orders right here. Once this increased to 1, for example, that means that there is a new order. You click on it and you sell it. That means there is a sold item that has been added, and you have right here completed this tutorial. You now know how you can sell items, you know how to check your orders, and how to view the last sold item. Thank you guys a lot for watching. If you do have any more questions, make sure to leave them down below in the comment section, and see you guys in the next tutorial.